This is example 8 of the SQL injection vulnerability series. So let's actually just quickly finish the series off with SQL injection. So we've got the application here. We've actually got, okay, let's read this URL real quick because I want to show you something. So if I paste it in, what do you notice about this URL? So we've got the URL, but then we've got a different parameter, which is order is equal to name. Hypothetically, if this was a shopping application, when they ordered something, and then we get the name parameter of the individual who ordered it. Order parameter, we can add the ID, and we can also add like an empty like quotation expression, and then we can just add something like random like this. And essentially what this is going to do, it's going to say that in the database it's null injection. And then so once we declare that it is null in the table, because if you actually copy this, all right, if you copy this, let me just copy it, and you paste it in, it's going to say that there's nothing here. All right, so it's kind of going through that, and it's saying, okay, well, this is null. So now what we can do is we can copy this, paste it, run it. Okay, so what we can do is we can just remove that, and then we can just add, we can just leave it like that. Remove the little, okay, there we go, it worked. So we didn't need to add the star at the end of it, but you can do that as well, and then you can see here we've received the tables. So SQL injection works successfully.